When it comes to choosing a range hood for your small kitchen, there are a few things you need to take into account. The size of the hood, the features offered, and the price are all important factors. To help you narrow down your choices, we've put together a list of the 5 best range hoods for small kitchens. We've considered all of the above factors and more, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible product for your needs. Here are top 5 product range hood for your small kitchen. Looking for a powerful and efficient range hood? Check out the Vevor Insert Range Hood is the #1 range hood. This range hood has 800 CFM of power and 3 speed settings, making it perfect for any cooking situation. The 30-inch stainless steel build is perfect for any kitchen, and the push-button control and LED lights make it easy to use. The baffle filters make it easy to clean, and the duct or ductless convertible design makes it versatile. As the cost of living continues to rise, more and more people are looking for ways to cut back on expenses. One way to do this is by cutting out unnecessary luxuries. However, there are some luxuries that are worth the money, and a good range hood is one of them. A range hood is a necessity for any kitchen, so the Vevor Insert Range Hood is a great option. Our second choice is the Brona nutone 42300 30-inch under cabinet range hood is a high-powered, 2-speed range hood that is perfect for any kitchen. The hood's exhaust fan has a maximum CFM of 230, making it perfect for quickly and efficiently removing smoke, odors, and grease from the air. The hood's light is also perfect for illuminating your cooktop. Brona nutone 42300 30-inch under cabinet range hood is a high-quality product that can help to ventilate your kitchen and keep it smelling fresh. This range hood features a 2-speed exhaust fan and light, 230 max blower CFM, and stainless steel construction. Number 3, introducing the Akdy 30 inches. Convertible kitchen wall mount range hood with carbon filters in black painted stainless steel. This range hood is perfect for those who want to upgrade their kitchen without breaking the bank. It features a powerful motor, efficient lighting, and easy-to-clean filters. Plus, its convertible design means it can be used as either a wall-mounted or island-mounted range hood. So you can use it as either a wall or island mount. This makes it a versatile option for any kitchen layout. Our fourth choice is Fotile Pixie Air UQS 300130 stainless steel under cabinet range hood, 800 EQUIV CFM's kitchen over stove exhaust vent with LED lights, dual AC motors and mechanical buttons is one of the most popular range hoods on the market. It is made of stainless steel and has a 800 CFM motor. It also has LED lights and dual AC motors. The mechanical buttons make it easy to use, and the range hood is very efficient. Is made of stainless steel, making it durable and long-lasting. The LED lights make it easy to see what you're cooking, and the dual AC motors make it powerful enough to vent your entire kitchen. And the fifth number is Zline has been manufacturing high-quality range hoods for over a decade. The ZLKB 30KB30 wall-mounted range hood is one of their top products. This range hood is made of stainless steel and is 30 inches wide. It has 2 LED lights that provide plenty of light while cooking. The range hood also has 3 fan speeds, so you can choose the right setting for your needs. This range hood is sure to help make your kitchen more efficient and stylish. This range hood has a powerful motor that is capable of moving a lot of air, making it ideal for use in a kitchen with a lot of smoke or steam. The KB30 also has 2 halogen lights that provide plenty of light for cooking. The range hood is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and click the bell icon and never miss the update. Thank you for watching my video.